Hello everyone, I'm your host Stephanie Essen, and this is oneAPI Dev News. Here are your oneAPI highlights for June from Intel. First, make sure you catch Bob Duffy's interview with AI research student Marcin Swiniarski, working in collaboration with CERN openlab, the largest particle physics lab in the world. Marcin has developed an inference engine for custom network architectures. The main idea is to record interesting particle collisions in the LHC and store them in the data centers. This work could speed up discovery for new dark sector particles and novel measurements of the Higgs boson. The link to this vodcast is in the description, as well as a playlist to the other CERN OpenLab interviews, so check it out. Next, if you're looking to learn more about the CERN OSPRAY API, we're excited to offer you some great oneAPI rendering training modules. This foundational learning path introduces Intel oneAPI, the Intel oneAPI rendering toolkit components, and explores Intel OSPRAY, an industry-leading ray tracing rendering library. At a high level, you'll see how to use the Intel OSPRAY API to create high-fidelity photorealistic images. You'll get step-by-step instructions to create scenes using simple geometries, and then progress through samples to demonstrate how you can import more complicated geometries into your target scene. There are 5 different modules, so get started today to try it in Jupyter by following the links. Finally, we have lots of oneAPI DevSummits coming your way, so be sure to catch the past ones on demand, and you can also find upcoming ones by following the links provided. Which reminds me, the next virtual oneAPI Dev Summit is happening at the end of June from the 22nd through the 23rd. You will hear from industry and academia speakers working on innovative, cross-platform, multi-vendor architecture solutions developed on oneAPI, and also learn from fellow innovators and, of course, connect with other innovators. Check out the links to get registered for this next Dev Summit and check out the agenda for each day. Remember that the links to these stories are in the description, so make sure you check them out. Also, you're not going to see me for July or August updates, but keep your eye out for the next oneAPI Dev News with our mystery guest host. Who can it be? Take care and thanks for watching.